Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I decided to add some more food to my fridge, and so I decided to go to the market and buy the things that I needed. So first I had my tomatoes, then now I added some fruits for vitamins. Then I had also bought the avocados, and here was some meat, and then again I had maize, for githeri, for making githeri. And then also I had the ndumas over there, then the hohos for adding some more flavor, then ginger also for flavoring my food. Then also here I had some cassavas and danias for also flavoring my food. Then lastly I added some more onions so that I don't keep on rushing to and fro the house to the market. So I was here, and I also had this ginger over here. So I decided also to take some burger from the kibanda, so that I make it and freeze it, so that I will be cooking it from my fridge. Then I began by washing the fruits and the vegetables. So I washed my mangoes and the tomatoes, and also the hoes, because I have to keep them in my fridge when they are very, very, very clean. So I had to wash them and wipe them very, 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 very dry, so that they don't get into the fridge with any water. So my vegetables and the fruits were very ready to be kept in the fridge. So this is how I normally keep them. I wash them and then wipe out any water that is on them. Then now I began doing that. So I began by wiping the basin so that it is very dry, and then now I started by wiping out the tomatoes very well and keenly, so that I put them in the fridge when they are very, very, very dry. And also the mangoes, I made sure that they did not have any water, also to avoid food contamination, and maybe to avoid any contamination or any germs from getting into the fridge. So this is how I wipe it, with a very clean cloth. So I was done with wiping all of them. Then next, now I was putting them into my fridge. Then now this is where I keep them. I began by putting the mangoes, then the hoes, and then lastly my tomatoes in the fridge, so that I don't keep on going to the market oftenly. Then next I began by peeling the ndumas. So I peeled my ndumas very well, and then I washed them to be very, very, very clean. finally I have my food very ready. I have my stew there, my fried ndumas and cassavas, and then also I have my greens over there. I've decided to fry them, and then also I have also made my githeri over there. Then here we have boiled cassavas, then we have boiled beans, and I've already packed them ready to be refrigerated. Yeah, this is what I've been able to do. Yeah, so at least now I not be up and down to the market to look for food and vegetables.